Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your BatchLeads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you find a list of commercial properties with your BatchLeads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of commercial properties in BatchLeads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate investment business, you know that there's no sense in wasting your advertising budget on residential properties that you're not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your BatchLeads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my BatchLeads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get a list of commercial properties, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little marker. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click into the search bar and type in your farming area. So this could be a county, it could be a city, it could be a zip code. It really depends on how many properties are in your area. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and just click in here and choose a zip code. So let's go ahead and do 90810. Okay, once you see the area, go ahead and click on it. Okay, next BatchLeads is going to filter out everything outside that farming area, and they're going to show you how many properties they have logged. So we're working with about 100,000 properties in this area. So to filter this out by commercial properties, click here on all filters. Next, you want to click here on property characteristics. Once you do that, click here on property classification, and you can go ahead and scroll down to the type of property that you're looking for. So you can do a blanket commercial. However, if you're looking for commercial office, you want to click here, or industrial. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just click on general commercial. Okay, once you do that, it's going to filter out. So you can see there's about 3,500 commercial properties in this particular zip code. So another thing you can do is you can keep filtering this down based off of your search parameters. So click here on property type, and you can go ahead and choose a strip mall. You can go ahead and choose commercial restaurant. You can choose commercial convenience stores. So go ahead and choose this one, auto repair garage. Okay, now you can see they have about 264 logged properties. And if you want, you can go ahead and filter down even more. So for me personally, I like to buy from individual owners. So I'll click here on ownership info, and then I'll click owner type and individual. So since the inventory on commercial properties is so limited, sometimes you can't narrow down too much because you'll end up with a list that's just too small. But once you have your list size, you're going to click down here on see properties. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of the properties based on your search parameters for commercial property. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of commercial properties with your BatchLeads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.